Jeremy, tax filing season begins Monday, so if you're eager to get that return back early, start getting your documents together this weekend. News Channel 7's Brianna Weaver spoke with a couple tax advisors about what you can do to help make the process easier. Bree, what did you find out?
Sloan, the number one thing I'm told is to make sure you have 90% of your documents before making an appointment or filing your own. If you're looking to file your taxes as early as possible like me, you're probably anticipating those W-2 forms to come in. But a common misconception is that you'll have them by January 31st. You actually might get them later than that.
People can send W-2s up until 1/31. If you have a brokerage statement, the brokerage account people are allowed to send out brokerage statements up until 2/15.
Amy Gumptz is a tax manager at MBE CPAs. She's been with the company for 3.5 years, but has been filing taxes for around 20. She says getting your documents in order and making a list is the best thing you can do ahead of the season.
If you own your own business, really go through and finalize your last year's numbers. Make sure your receipts are in order. Everything is organized. Tally things up for your accountant. Don't just give them a shoebox.
As we know, filing taxes isn't the easiest, especially when you're starting out. One shareholder has some advice for the younger generation that may be filing their taxes for the first time.
Talk to their parents, because they've probably done this multiple times, but finding a trusted advisor.
Chris works for Kerber Rose. He says it's better to come in earlier rather than later. Even just booking the appointment for when you think you'll have most of the paperwork is a good idea.
You can always change the time, change the date, doesn't hurt. Probably easier to do it now because my February, March, I have a few dates already scheduled, but as I get closer, it gets a little more hectic.
Gumptz and Olson say they think it'll be a pretty busy season. They also hope there aren't too many changes, tax law changes, and everything goes over smoothly.